Welcome back, everyone. It's been about 3 weeks since I've done a video. Really excited for this camp. I'm here at Edwin Lakes again. Gorgeous location. And I'm excited to use that big fire pit. It's going to be an awesome night. But yeah, I think I'm going to string up here between that big tree and this one. Hope my straps are long enough to make this work. If not, I'll find a new location. But yeah, let's get to it. And my straps aren't long enough. So, turns out my hammock straps aren't big enough to go around that tree at all. I did foresee this happening with this location because I have been here before. So I brought a second set of straps. So let's see if we can make this work. A few adjustments to make yet, but this will do. Oh, very happy with that hang. It is a little higher than I'm accustomed to, but I want to keep my hammock tucked up into the tarp for tonight because it is pretty windy and expecting some pretty foul weather. So yeah, this will be good. Gonna let my underquilt loft up a bit, migrate the down from there if I have to, but let's get the tarp going. So going with a continuous ridge line, gonna use some prussics and some toggles, get it nice and centered. So setup's going pretty good. I'm gonna get the back staked out and then see how she looks. There she be. Took a little bit to get that tarp set up. This ground's really rocky underneath. I actually broke one of my stakes, which is unfortunate. It's not going anywhere. Even if it picks up, it'll hold, but yeah, got a good little setup here. Real happy with that. I'm gonna tie on some extra drip lines just in case, but yeah, should be good. So I absolutely love this fire pit. It's just big and burly, nice wind block on the back. This is gonna be great. I'm gonna go collect some firewood and get this going. So this was all in here. It's a little damp, but I'm just gonna leave it in there and build my fire on top of it. It'll dry out. It's starting to snow, so this is gonna be a real good night. Yeah, I'm loving it. But yeah, let's put the work in on this fire and get her going. Found some fat wood. Smells glorious. But yeah, that'll get my fire going nice and quick. So That's fatwood shavings, the spine of my knife, a few long slivers to add, my pencil-sized twigs, and then my, well, not quite wrist, but getting bigger anyways. So I'm gonna light this, throw it in the middle, pile this all on top. All right, let's try that again. My battery died, so here we go. Got my shavings, ferro rod, let's get her going. Well, she was a bit stubborn. Everything's really damp out here, but got her going. So let's give you a little bit of a closer look at this fire pit. I'm just impressed by someone put a lot of work into this thing. Anyways, the front's nice and open. If you come around back, they have stacked the rocks. Like, that is impressive. I wouldn't haul that many rocks to make a fire pit. I'd do a little ring. But that is just impressive. Really looking forward to cooking on this. Well, let's get her hot and get her roaring and then get a good bed of coals. I got a really good meal to cook up tonight. So filming for the rest of the night is going to be a little tricky. I have broken my second tripod. Hit me up in those comments and let me know of a durable tripod for being out in the bush. I beat them up pretty good. I use them a lot, so I need something durable. So let's talk about this in front of me here. This is my new Savage 64. Great little 22 long rifle, 10 round semi-automatic. I've got almost 1,000 rounds through it. It's very accurate when it's sighted in. I only have a $20 scope on this thing, 4x15. It is what it is. The rifle itself was only 149 bucks. For the price, I can't go wrong. Had it jam up a few times. It does need a cleaning and a good oil, but I'll do that when I get home after this trip. Clip's a little heavy, little clunky. How it goes in, push forward. The release is on the front. It's kind of strange, but it's a $150 rifle. So can't expect too much. I love it. I love this thing. It's gonna be great. If I'm ever stranded, I can plank off rabbits, grouse, squirrels, you name it. Any small game, this is gonna work great for. I can shoot about a 1-2 inch group at 100 yards, no problem. Once it's sighted in, that is. I had to sight it in again today. I only got these 10 rounds left. I know a 22 isn't great for self-defense, but it's better than nothing and more practical than a shotgun for me. I don't really hunt, so this is just a plinkster. We'll take a few shots here in a little bit, but yeah, comforting having a rifle when you're out alone in the middle of nowhere. Does help. The bang might not be enough to scare off a bear if it wanders into camp, but that's what bear spray's for. This is more fun than anything. Plinkster, it's just for fun around camp. Play with some targets. But yeah, anyways, it's a great little rifle. Comes in at 5 pounds. Really love it. Having a lot of fun with it so far. Yeah, let's go shoot something. So that fire pit's gonna be a little hard to cook on. I did bring my twig stove, so I do all my cooking on that tonight, which, no loss. I love cooking on that thing. Anyways, chopped up some small pieces of wood. I'm gonna baton these down so they burn well on the twig stove. Bust them into quarters. Not sure if you can see it in the camera, but she decided to snow pretty good. This is awesome. Fire's doing good. I'm hunkered down on a blanket and my windshield reflective thing. But yeah, I'm gonna get some dinner cooking while it's snowing. This is awesome. Great weather. Couldn't be happier. Been a while since I used this, and not having a tripod's complicated. It's nice and level there. All right, to get this going, I'm using Ray's fire kit. I install windshields, and some old fella brought in his car to get a windshield done. We were talking, and he makes these. They're just 4 matches wrapped in wax coated something. I don't know. I've never used them, but thank you, Ray. I'm gonna give one a whirl because with the snow coming and the wind blowing, I don't have time to play with my ferro rod. Ray's fire kit. Awesome. He says these burn for about 8 minutes. So far, so good. So, dinner tonight. Golden Grill hash browns. Boil water, add water, then fry once they rehydrate. Get these at Costco. They're great. I have a whole case of them. 4 eggs, pound of bacon, onion, garlic, hot sauce, and butter to fry up the hash browns in. This is my little goodie bag. We got a couple Mr. Noodles, which are always in there, some tea, some spices, some oatmeal for breakfast, some instant coffees. It's gonna be good. It's a bottle of methyl hydrate and my penny stove, which I wanted to try, but I'm in a rush to eat since the weather seems to be blowing in, so won't be trying that tonight, unfortunately. So I think I got a system here. Boiling the water, get the hash browns going, pour the water into the box of hash browns, let them rehydrate, fry the bacon while they're rehydrating, put the bacon on my plate, add the hash browns, the onion, the garlic, and the egg all at once into the pan, and make like a breakfast bowl, and then bacon on the side. Should be good. And then drown it in hot sauce, obviously. Yeah, exciting. Hash browns are cooking, or rehydrating, I should say. Bacon's on the twig stove. This will be a damn good meal. Oh, bacon's done. Didn't have the patience for the twig stove tonight. It's just too windy. I can't get the heat I need. So, hash browns and onions and garlic are on the fire. So yeah, this should be good. I'll get back to you when it's done. Well, hash browns are done. Got the eggs on. Oh, I can't wait to eat. I'm absolutely starving. This will be good. Breakfast of champions for dinner. This will be good. I'm gonna hunker down, eat this, and then I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Well, I'll hunker down in the hammock. Dinner was amazing. It is so windy out here. This tarp just isn't gonna cut it for much longer. I do have one on order. I got the one wind tarp with doors, so that should improve my cold weather camping a lot. This wind's going to be an issue. I can't get this tarp pitched tight enough to keep it off me. But I'm going to tough her out, throw on a movie, and relax for a little while. Might not get back to the camera tonight. Probably just watch a movie, and once it's over, close my eyes, go to sleep, and wake up. Thanks for watching, guys.